Good morning, one and all. My name is Sohit from ECD section, roll number J8. Today, my topic is about revolutionizing wearables for 5G technologies, recent developments, and future perspectives for wearable devices and antennas. Introduction. Wearable devices are becoming an attractive solution for various applications in the military, medical, and consumer electronics sector. They are also expected to become an integral part of the upcoming fifth generation networks, which are expected to operate with higher bit rates and lower outage probabilities in smaller micro and pico cells within a large coverage area. New features and capabilities envisioned in 5G networks are expected to overcome the limitations of 4G and older technologies and radically change applications in transportation, healthcare, smart homes, wireless robots, etc. Current literature on wearables. A general overview of the relevance of wearable technologies for 5G is provided in which describes several future features including scanning capability for antennas, energy autonomy, and smart machine-to-machine and device-to-device communication. Energy released issues for 5G wearable networks are particular concern. A system-level assessment for MMW-based wearable networks was first presented in followed by a feasibility study of wireless charging technologies for wearables. Wearable antennas. Specific to wearable antennas, a summary is available. Topologies, fabricant methods, and associated analysis will be discussed in the upcoming slides. However, this review was limited to the antenna topologies and fabrication technologies available at the time, such as the use of copper tape or foils, conductive spray techniques, and commercial of the self-conductive and non-conducting textiles. Fabrication technologies. Before summarizing current materials and fabrication methods for realizing passive wearable components such as antennas, transmission lines, and so forth, it is important that the electrical properties of these materials be understood and characterized. In the subsections that follow, we discuss several techniques for characterization, a look at state-of-the-art fabrication materials and methods. Characterization of material properties. Since the introduction of flexible materials for high frequency and microwave applications, significant effort has gone into characterizing their priorities at these frequencies. One such example of textile characterization is found in where the electrical performance of various conductive fabrics and textile substrates is studied. Additionally, a novel characterization approach for determining the constitutive properties of all materials in textile antennas as a function of relative humidity is proposed in the presented characterization technique as advantageous due to its simplicity in terms of same preparation as compared to resonator cavity, perturbation, or transmission line methods. The authors have studied the radiation characteristics of woven rectangular patches with thread thickness and woven interval variations and invalidated that increase in thread thickness with a wider interval can enhance antenna radiation efficiency. Fabrication of materials, advanced dimensioning or laser cutting, conductive and screen printing, embroidery, stitching and sieving, conductive threads, and brass eyelets, adhesives. These are the different types of fabrication techniques used for wearable antennas. We will be discussing the methods for these fabrication methods later. Antenna topology and integration techniques. Most wearable structures adopt planar topologies or are modifications of three-dimensional antennas in the planar format, ensuring ease of integration on human clothing without additional protruding structures. While it is expected that 5G wearable antennas will operate in the higher, above 20 GHz frequency bands to fulfill the requirements of future wearable antennas of different topologies operating below 10 GHz are expected to be used to ensure backward compatibility with improved conventional networks. The topologies of the wearable antennas described in this section may function as unit elements in arrays and can be scaled to suit the requirements at higher frequencies. Integrating antennas, patch and slot antennas, rings, Minder lines and spiral antennas, cavity and waveguide based antennas, planar monopoles and dipole antennas, Yagi-Uda and arrays, planar inverted F antenna. These are the different types of technologies used to integrate these wearable antennas onto their prospective transmitter or receiver front ends. MMW antennas for 5G application. Despite their increased fabrication complexity, multi-element antennas such as Yagi-Uda and arrays are envisioned for off-body communication in 5G, especially in the MMW bands. An example of such arrays is small textile Yagi-Uda antenna proposed in with an end fire pattern for 6 GHz band operation. In addition, an end-fire wearable Yagi-Uda antenna operating at 57 to 64 GHz was characterized in free space on a phantom and under bending conditions. This antenna consists of a driven dipole and 10 directors printed on top of the cotton substrate. Its propagation was studied in a realistic communication scenario where the antenna was placed on by human hand along with an off-body antenna, and satisfactory performance was maintained under bending and in planar conditions. Conclusion. Coming to the conclusion, the improved capacity and the throughput, reduced latency, and network disinfection in 5G will enable the deployment of wearables in massive numbers per macro cell or picocell. Future wearables are expected to comply with new higher frequency spectrums, for example, in the MMW bands. This in turn requires a distinct model for MMW propagation communication architectures and component design paradigms. Additional considerations related to antennas for wearables include materials, fabrication methods, and assessment techniques throughout their design and evaluation cycle. Thank you.